guys, so sorry you can't see me. So we're gonna be having a Nerf war, and Jair, what did you figure out what gun you're gonna use?
No, but we have all the guns.
Yeah.
If we come over here,
I just got a new rifle, guys. Look at that. Ooh, a new rifle.
If you just come over here with me, I'll show you all the guns we have. 1, the rifle. 2.
Well, that's not all the guns, because we have some in here.
Yeah, just all the ones that we can have darts.
Yeah, and here's
There is the rival.
and here's
Okay, here's the rifle.
Yep.
And then there's the.
And there's a big gun.
I'm thinking
a
of.
little gun.
I'm thinking about using this gun.
I think I'm using this one.
Okay, guys, I'm sorry, I have to put you down real quick. Well, Jaden will be taking the cam.
I have to talk to him.
So yeah, Jaden, go ahead.
Do I have to talk to him?
Yeah.
My name's Jaden. I like playing Fortnite.
Okay, let's get rid of that delusion. Oh, Selena, come here. She was mad.
Time for the Nerf.
Come here.
So the oldest one gets to pick first. Which is
Selena, say hi.
Ow! Hey, what are you getting me out?
See, it's too close on, right?
Ah! No!
Okay.
So here's the Nerf gun. So
Alright.
really just stop.
Since I'm the oldest, I get to pick first.
Aiden!
That good.
No, that's too hard. Yes.
Oh, you're...
Okay, guys.
I think I'll have to.
No, I'm using this one.
Alright.
Sorry, guys.
No! Aiden, just use your big gun.
Where's all the big bullets?
Play with your toys.
Like the big
Aiden,
red
he's
bullet.
gonna waste your battery.
One of them's in there, but
where?
the other in there.
I know, but where's the other?
The other two, I don't know. Okay, let's look for them first.
No.
Really? It was just in
I
here.
don't know how to.
If we need to play Nerf gun, turn off the TV.
Where's all my bullets?
You didn't do.
This is why I didn't want a Nerf for it.
Get some bullets in the thing. Get some bullets in this. Get this gun. You have 2 guns now.
There might be, there's no bullets in this.
Maybe you can use these. You can use all of those guns. Find the door.
There's 2 downstairs.
Find the
There's 2 more
door.
downstairs. I'll get them.
Hi guys. So this is me and with this gun.
Okay, let's get away from this delusion.
Hey,
So I'm gonna use this gun.
I was just talking to them.
Right up.
What's up, nigga? What's up, nigga? Oh!
That's why you don't play with me.
You're not playing Nerf gun yet.
Good. Oh yeah.
Big name.
Our grandfather, May Philippe's grandfather, we call him Pop Pop. He's a race car driver, and
Go tell my dad.
he's a really rough and tough race car driver. Make sure you go check him out. He's the best. And the pest. Going downstairs. I'm going downstairs. Are you looking for? Are you coming?
No!
Over here.
Business house. The best house The best house. Best house. The best house. This is the best house. What you doing, boy? Huh? What you doing? What you doing? Everybody get. Let's go. Who wants to be on my team?
Me.
Who wants to be on my team?
Me. I am.
I want Jair to be on my team.
Alright.
I
So
get
this is the
better
red team.
So whoever gets hit first.
Is the blue team.
Oh,
Green team. White team.
Jair!
Alright.
Jaden, you playing?
No, I'm just looking at the gun, man.
Okay, so this is kind of like Fortnite, but not really. So if you get hit one time, you have to fall down and let your person revive you. Let your person revive you for 10 seconds.
You got 2 guns. 5 seconds. That's it.
10 seconds. We're doing it in real life.
Yeah, Fortnite.
It's kind of like Fortnite. So, since when we start, and if I shoot somebody, and they have to go down and stay down, and their person has to revive them for 10 seconds. To put their hand on their back. And if I shoot them, so if I shoot the other person that's reviving the other person, mostly they lose.
Oh.
And we win.
Miss.
And then we start to the second round, third round, and there's 3 rounds.
Aiden, do you want to see my
She wants to fight me. Come on, fight me. Come on. Oh! Come on, fight me. Come on. Oh! Come on, fight me. Come on, fight me. Come on. Oh! Oh! Ah. I'm sorry. Ow. I'm so sorry. Break the leg. Break the ow! I'm gonna break the. Oh! You ow! No, fight back. Oh!
Superpower. Superpower.
Alright, Jaden, let's hear your new shoes.
I think they're in the car.
Okay, let's get started. Come on, what are you waiting for?
Alright, so we both.
Jair, you're on my team. Jace, you're alone.
Yeah.
No, Jace is too little to be alone.
Yeah, come on, you're on my team. You're by yourself. What do you got a rifle for? You're not bringing that. You got that. Wait, guys, I need to use the bathroom. So, Jair will be taking the camera.
Thank you.
Wait, you're not breaking
I'm gonna be your mommy.
Alright.
So, what we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna flip the. I don't remember how to flip the camera around, but we're gonna end up putting the camera right here, I think. Let me just do something. Okay, there. So there's this little thing on the case where we are gonna. Nope, never mind.
Hey, Aiden, you can shoot too, huh?
Right here, you could look at us. Hey, Aiden, you got some tape?
No, why?
Right here, we can tape the phone here, and then they can see the footage.
In my phone.
No, that's why we're getting the tape.
I'll go get some tape.
You can play.
All right. So what we're gonna end up doing is right here. We're gonna tape the phone case.
The magical Scotch tape. Now move your finger. Scotch tape. The best. And the best. The awesomest.
Okay, can you hold the camera?
Oh, yes, I can. Now hurry. Hurry, the bad man's coming. I'm sorry, but we need to do this for you guys, right?
Yeah, so you guys can see the action. What's happening?
Yeah, you know.
We're almost done putting it on.
But you need to put it along because I don't trust my phone. Because I don't want my phone to break.
Aiden, I tell Selena again, shoot you. Shoot him, Selena. Shoot him. Shoot him.
Oh, the camera's upside down.
Oh. Yeah. Sorry. Let's fix that. There we go.
I just realized that. Okay.
Aiden. Aiden.
Let's get the scotch tape off.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry, guys.
Alright, let me take the stand out. We're gonna put the stand right here.
Yeah.
And where's the scotch tape at? Oh,
Scotch tape is the best. Oh, that hurts. Ow, that hurts.
I put Selena because Selena wanna play.
You want me to? I got a mega bullet. Stop, Jace. Jace.
I got white. I'm choosing this gun. Oh, you don't believe it? Hey, I got your gun. That's my gun.
alright.
Okay.
Almost done.
Almost. His stupid arm is in the way. Sorry for that.
Sorry that we don't have a GoPro.
A GoPro?
Yeah. If we had a GoPro, we could have just mounted it right there. Alright, so right here, I'm gonna be in the camera.
Alright. See, guys, let's go.
Wait, how do you flip the camera around?
Huh?
How do you flip the camera around?
What?
How do you flip the camera around so they can see who I'm shooting at?
No. Come on.
Okay.
Stay. Don't let my phone fall.
Wait, we need more scotch
Don't let
tape.
my phone fall. Go ahead, do that.
Alright, almost done. Just gonna put that tape in. Scotch tape, thank you for helping us. Please sponsor this video. This channel. Because it's the best. And I don't remember the last time. Wait, when was the last time that we were on? I don't know. Last time we were on my cousin's channel. Don't know. Alright, guys. I am done. And it is time for the Nerf war. So you're only going to be seeing my face the whole time. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. So right now, we are about to start the Nerf. Hey, not yet. Not yet. Okay.
You're not using that rifle. That's gonna hurt.
So, yes, I am. So we're gonna take turns using the rifle, so we don't have to scotch tape to the next gun over and over again.
Or should we just take the phone right here? You think we should do that?
No, because we're gonna be in the other rooms. Alright, so I'm gonna have it first. You're gonna see my play. And if we had like a little back piece attachment, you could see from behind me, so you could see everything.
Go high. Turn around.
So now this has turned into hide and seek. But yeah. I'm just gonna watch TV and count to 20. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, ready or not, here I come! Alright guys, it's time for Fortnite in real life. Part 1. Part 2 will either be later or tomorrow. Don't know. And we might do a part 3. But there's definitely going to be a part 2. Because this is part 1. Alright. Oh shoot. It's on safety. Now you guys want to see the gameplay. But can't show you guys that. Alright guys. So right there, I just shot a bunch of rival balls. Oh shoot. Alright guys, so right here, he's right there. Oh shoot, what happened to the scope?
No!
Oh shoot. I put it on safety again. Alright guys, so oh shoot! Oh dang it, I'm out of ammo. Oh, never mind. Alright, this last one, I gotta make it count. Next round, you guys are gonna see the gameplay. Alright, for part 2, you guys are only gonna see the gameplay. Oh, he has 1 bullet left. That's why I got this extra.
I won, boy! Yeah! We won!
And you take my gun.
We won.
Okay.
We won.
Now,
Do it.
good thing for Scotch tape because it's easy to take it off.
We won. I won. So my team won. Oh yeah. My team won. Jace, I shot him. We won.
We won?
Yeah, we won. I shot him. I killed him. We won. Right, Selena?
Yeah. But what? Jason's playing?
Go shoot him. I need to cock the gun. Wait. I need to cock it. It's already cocked. Go shoot him. Go shoot Jair. Oh yeah. No, don't.
You didn't want it.
Yeah, I'm right. Here you go.
Alright guys, so this was part 1 of Nerf War.
Yeah, so.
Time for part 2. So see you guys in the next video.
Okay, see ya. Another tomorrow. Peace.